There's Chloe looking at her toys with the hiccups. What do you see up there, Sweet Pea? That's what she's looking at, all these toys up here. She has hiccups really bad, as usual. What's there? Look. Yeah. And give me kisses. Kissy, kissy, kisses. Kissy, kissy, kisses.